Guys, what the fuck is up? What is up, Russell?
What's up, man?
Help your mama? Wait, what? Why do I always? It's so weird. I know, that is nasty deliciousness, I have to agree. What the fuck? What? I don't even know what I'm saying. Alright, so recently I've started like doing some art on my Instagram, so if you're interested, what you said, Pokemon. Yeah, then go check it out because it is pretty awesome. Also, I'm working on a little animated project. It's gonna be, I don't know, about a minute or so. It's sort of shows part of the new series I'm working on, but this is just like a test, so this isn't meant to be like perfect or anything. And honestly, it really isn't. Like, I'm so rusty right now, but it's gonna be awesome soon. And that car is beautiful. Look at that car. It was a white car. It left. I'm sorry to tell you. Yeah, so there's that. Also, I'm gonna start working on a new song. It's not going into an album or anything. It's just gonna go into the animated 1 minute video whatever thingy. So yeah, it's gonna be awesome. I'll show you a preview of it right now. Yeah, so that's all of it. Pretty chill, right? Sort of. Actually, I have done like nothing of it so far. So there's that, and right now, me and Russell are gonna play flag football. Isn't that right, man?
Yeah.
You know, that's right. We recently joined this thing, like, it's called a youth group. It's like an after school thing, and so, yeah, we're gonna like play football with a bunch of hot chicks. You jealous? You jealous? You're not jealous? Are you telling me you're not jealous? Say that again. You're not? Oh. Well, you suck. Alright. Well, we're gonna play football right now, so you can suck it. Guys, what's up? Alright, so, me and Russell, we thought we were gonna, like, get to play, like, flag football, like, over there near Pybus Market. But I don't know if, like, the teacher, I don't know, he's wrong or something. We're supposed to go to the high school, but we are going to the high school. Isn't that right, Russell? Yeah, man. So, yeah, that's fun. At least it's nice out here. And it has bird nipples. Wait, what? They're so weird. Weird. It's